Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the art of bedroom decoration with a special focus on how you can use lighting and greenery to elevate your space. Whether you want to create a cozy retreat or a modern oasis, the right combination of lighting and plants can make all the difference. Let's explore how to use these elements to maximize your chosen theme and mood. First up, let's talk about lighting. Lighting isn't just functional, it's also a key player in setting the mood of your bedroom. Here are 3 types of lighting that can transform your space. Firstly, the mood lighting is all about creating a specific ambience in your room. This is usually achieved with soft, diffused light sources that cast a gentle glow throughout the space. Think of table lamps with warm-toned bulbs, wall sconces, or even string lights draped around the room. Mood lighting is perfect for relaxing and unwinding, giving your bedroom a warm and inviting atmosphere. Next, we have spotlighting. Spotlighting is used to highlight specific areas or features in your room, such as artwork, a reading nook, or a unique architectural detail. This can be achieved with adjustable floor lamps, track lighting, or even LED spotlights. By focusing light on particular elements, spotlighting adds depth and draws attention to the features you want to showcase. Lastly, LED lighting is a versatile and energy-efficient choice. LED lights come in various forms, including strips, panels, and bulbs. They offer a range of color temperatures, from warm to cool, allowing you to customize the lighting based on your needs. LED strips, for example, can be installed under your bed frame or behind your headboard for a modern, sleek look. They're great for creating a dynamic atmosphere and adding a touch of contemporary flair. Now that we've covered lighting, let's move on to greenery. Adding plants to your bedroom not only enhances its visual appeal, but also brings a sense of tranquility and warmth. Here are 3 types of greenery that work well in the bedroom. First up is the olive tree. This elegant plant adds a touch of sophistication and a natural element to your decor. Its silvery green leaves bring a calming, Mediterranean vibe to your space. An olive tree works well in a corner or near a window where it can grow and thrive. It's a great way to add a bit of greenery without overwhelming your room. Next, consider hanging plants. These are perfect for adding greenery without taking up floor space. You can hang them from the ceiling or mount them on the walls. Popular choices include pothos or spider plants. Hanging plants not only add a touch of nature, but also create visual interest and can help soften the lines of your decor. Lastly, dried plants and flowers are a wonderful addition to your bedroom decor. They bring a rustic charm and a sense of permanence to your space. Think of dried lavender, eucalyptus, or even preserved roses. These can be arranged in vases, placed on shelves, or used in wall hangings. They add texture and a touch of nature that complements both modern and traditional styles. So, how can lighting and greenery work together to create a theme for your bedroom? The key is to choose elements that complement each other and align with the mood you want to achieve. For example, if you're aiming for a serene and cozy retreat, combine soft mood lighting with lush olive trees and dried flowers. For a modern, chic space, use LED lighting with hanging plants and sleek, minimalist decor. And that's a wrap on how to use lighting and greenery to create the perfect bedroom ambience. Remember, the right combination can transform your space into a reflection of your personal style and mood. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and inspiration. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite lighting or plant tip. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.